Hey guys and girls, this is Lucia. Today I'll review on the new, sorry it's not new, on the Monster High Cleo the Nile. So first, her hair is black and it has gold. Here are some. And she has a headband. It's gold with blue. Gold's his favorite color. And she has earrings. And she has a little blue jewel. And on her neck she has something like a mummy thing. And right here she has a blue thing. I don't know what it is. I've never seen it before. And she has a gold belt. And she has this on her arm. And she has her mummy things right here also. All wrapped because she's and her shoes are black in the bottom and they're mummy wrapped. One second. Okay, let's just skip that. So she has her pet snake. It has a crown, and she's all green, like a baby green. And she has like a necklace and a jewel, a gold jewel right here. And Cleo comes with her purse. It's black and a blue jewel, and it's all gold right here. And her comb, her brush has it's gold and has skull. And her journal it says Cleo the Nile, and she writes versa, and she has her a gold web. Thanks for watching my review. I hope you like it. See you in the next review on the Gloomy Yelps Dead Tired. Bye.